How to use Slack. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Slack. So let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto the website slack.com. Now once we're over here, we're going to go ahead and sign up and start using it. Now the sign up process is very simple. It is free. However, there is a pricing plan. So let me just tell you that. All right, so over here, as you can see, we have 4 pricing plans, right? We have the free plan, the pro plan, the business plus, and the enterprise grid. Now for the free plan, it's of course $0 per month. You get access to most of the 90 days of message history, 10 integrations with applications such as Google Drive, Office 365, and many others, and one-on-one voice and video calls between teammates as well. Now for the pro one, it's going to be $725 USD per month, and you get all the benefits from the free plan, including the full context of your organization's message history at your fingertips, time, info, actions in one place, face-to-face communications with group voice and video calls up to 50 teammates, and secure collaborations outside of the organizations of guests within Slack, which is pretty cool. And then for the business plus, you get $12.50 per month, and you get all the options from the free plan and the pro plan, and you get advanced identity management through SAML based SSO and real-time active directory sync with one login, Okta, and price identity. Compliance requirement met with data exports for all messages, around the clock, teamwork and assistance with 99% guarantee, and enterprise grade. Of course, for that, you're gonna have to contact the Slack, you're gonna have to contact sales to get the approximate pricing of it, but you get the gist of it. So you now know how much it costs. So let's just dwell and dive into Slack. So as I said before, the sign up process is very simple. It is free. You can either sign up with your email account or your Google account. It all depends on you. So let's go ahead and sign up with the email. Now I am going to be using a temporary email right here. I'm going to copy the email and come over here and paste it right here and click on continue. I'm just going to send a 6-character code into my email, which is going to pop up over here. Here we go. Just simply going to go ahead and copy this LC3WXC. Copy that. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and create a workspace. We have created an account. Now we can go ahead and create a new workspace, as you can see over here. Now accept an invitation over here. Invitations for this email are going to be over here. Here are going to be like, you know, pre-built members for you, so that you can go ahead and check it out how it feels like, or you can go ahead and create a new workspace and invite other people for yourself. So let's go ahead and create a workspace. All right, so what is the name of your company or team? Over here is going to be the name of your company or team, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna keep it like this, whatever this name is, and I'm gonna click on continue. And then what is your team working on right now? Over here you can create a campaign or an event for your team that they are working on. So we'll just currently say that they're working on, let's say, website ideas, and then we'll click on next. And then over here we can add team members. Right now, I mean, it is, you can add your team members right now, or you can add them later on. It all depends on you. Now what you can do now is you can add just simply emails. You can simply add your emails of your team members over here and click on add team members, or you can get the shareable link and you can send them one by one, and they can invite and accept the invitation and join your workspace on their own. So we're gonna skip this step for now, and because we can go ahead and add other team members later on, but for now we'll skip it. Now there are 2 main ways that you can use Slack. Either you download the Slack application on your browser, or you can just use the browser as I am using right now. So currently I'm going to stick with the browser. You can download it on your own. It's very simple and easy to download. Now this is how the interface looks like. As you can see over here, we have our main workspace right here. Over here we can access other workspaces, and we can add other workspaces, create other workspaces, sign into other ones, or find other workspaces, or all them. It all depends on you. And over here you can download the desktop app as well as the mobile application. Over here you will get all of your channels. So you have your channels right here. So you have general, random, as I said before, website ideas that we created right here, and then down below you're gonna have your main messages, your DMs. So once you've added different team members, you can go ahead and chat with them as well. Now you can go ahead and rename each of these different channels by clicking on the channel name right here, and right here you will see the channel name. You click on edit and you can change it to whatever you want, right? It all depends on you. Whatever, click on save changes. Here we go. We have our channel name. We can add the topics for this channel. We can add a description. We can even leave the channel if we want to. It all depends on you. And as I said before, if you have other members added and you want to create, and you can go ahead and start a call by clicking on the start a call button right here. You can enable notifications. You can see all of the members. You can even create integrations, and of course you can add workflow, but for that, of course, you're going to need to have the pro plan. You can go ahead and integrate different applications by clicking on add an application right here, and you can find different applications that you can integrate your workspace with. So you have Giphy, Trello, you have Twitter, you have Google Plus, Zapier, Looms, RSS. You have different applications that you can install into your workspace. It all depends on you. It's very simple. It's very easy. Now let's go ahead and invite some team members because it feels lonely. I am, however, going to be using temporary emails. Now I have added all 4 of these emails, and I'll just simply click on send. And okay, we couldn't send this one, but that's okay. As you can see right here, we have the other 4 people, the other 3 people that we have added into our workspace. Now we can go ahead and chat with them and add them to different workspaces over here. So we can click on add people. We click on the mail that they have. So let's go ahead and add the name X. Oh, here we go. XED Taku. I mean, it's already in this channel. Okay, so we already have all the peoples that we needed to add into this channel, and we can just go ahead and start talking to them. We can go into the settings. We can integrate different permissions for everyone. So over here, who can post in this channel? Everyone except guests, admins only, or admin plus specific people. You can have the huddle option right here. Huddle is basically like a call option. So for example, if you wanted to start a huddle, you have this option right here, right? You just simply click on it and it'll start the huddle. It's like a small call, but it's not a video call or a group call. It's like it, but it's not. It's different. You could just say that it's like a temporary group call in which you can't do anything. You can just quickly start or share some ideas. If you wanted to have a quick meeting, nothing too crazy, nothing too formal either, just to get like heads up or whatever, or get like specific information from your team members, you can go ahead and do that over here. It's very simple. It's a very cool feature to have, as I said before. Now if you wanted to know how you can add a different channel, just simply click on add a channel over here, and you can create a new channel as well. Now there's another option right here that says browse channels. So if you click on browse channels, you can see all of the other channels that we have right here, and we can create a new channel right here. So we can go ahead and say like this is a test. Now you can share this outside of your workspace, but for that, of course, you're going to have a premium account. You can add the description. You can make it private as well. And then you can just simply click on create channel, and you have yourselves a channel, and you have a channel created. And then you can enter in different emails over here for specific people that you wanted to add over here, and you can add them right here. So very simple to use, very easy to use it as well. So this is how you use Slack. Very simple, very easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you have any questions, or if you guys have any concerns, or then just simply leave them down in the comment sections down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,